Greetings, YouTube. Elaine Elise back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, right here in Grove Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. And in this morning's video, YouTube, just a quick peek at the two propagated cherry tomato plants that we grew in our greenhouse last year during the winter months. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! Can you guys see how loaded YouTube our propagated cherry tomato plants are here at Queen Annie's place in our backyard food forest? These were some tiny cuttings when we first took them from a family member's plants here during the winter, late fall, early winter months here in Tifton, Georgia. As you can see, they are indeed well over 2 feet tall at this point, YouTube, and loaded with tomatoes here at Queen Annie's place. Thanks for watching, YouTube.